How to fix mobile data not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As I launch the settings application, simply tap on about phone and check for any updates available for your device. Now, as I check on the updates, if it says there are no updates available, it means we have an updated version. And after that, click on the storage as well and make sure that you have enough storage on your device. Now as you check on the storage as well, what you can simply do is scroll down and tap on connection and sharing, and here make sure that you have proper DNS and then go back and simply launch on SIM cards and mobile network. Now make sure that you select on your SIM card and make sure that you have the mobile networks toggled on for automatically select network. Go back and make sure that you have access point name selected over here and preferred network type as well. If you have 5G or 4G, it's better. So I don't have it, so I'm going to select on whatever is convenient for me. And after that, if that doesn't fix your issue, you can simply make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.